In this video, I'm going to show you how you can rearrange bookmarks on your Google Chrome browser. As you can see, I have quite a number of websites that I bookmarked on my Google Chrome, and the list is quite long, and you can see others are even here. So I can go ahead and rearrange these bookmarks by moving them on specific position. For instance, I want this Google Art Studio bookmark to appear next to Canva, and you can see Canva is here. To rearrange this bookmark, just click and hold onto it and then move it to wherever you want. And you can see here, when you see that line, it means that the location where this bookmark will be set. And now if I lift my finger and leave it, it will go ahead and replace the other bookmark that was there. And as you can see, the tiny PNG that was occupying this space has moved to the next slot. So this does not eliminate the bookmark that was there, but rather replaces its position, and then the initial bookmark moves to the next position. If you also want to move a bookmark that is down here, you can also do the same. For instance, I want to move the Facebook bookmark from here, and then I want to move it just next to YouTube here. And here's our YouTube. So to do so, I'll go again and click and hold on Facebook, and then move to where I just want it to appear, and it is after YouTube. And as you can see, I can now let it rest here, and immediately you can see it has displaced ChatGPT, and now it has taken its position. And now you can see our Facebook app is next to YouTube. So that's how you rearrange bookmarks on your Google Chrome browser. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.